guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and welcome to a new haul. So today I'm going to be sharing all the tops that I have bought recently and I am going to be trying them on with you guys as well. For reference, I am a mid-size girl, so mostly I wear L on top, M on bottom. If you're interested and if you want to know how it's going to look on me, please keep watching. First, I have this round neck full sleeve top. I bought it in May month, but now is the exact time to wear it because it's not too cold, not too hot. It's very moderate. It's not unbearable anymore and it's a cotton material, so it feels very comfortable, and this material is so breathable. Got it for 400 only and it's not see-through material at all. Next, I have this beautiful satin finish shirt, so it's completely see-through and it also comes with an inner. If you want to style this shirt with other innerwears, you can detach it with this type of TikTok button, just like any other blouse that you make. This comes with that. It's not a see-through material, you can see me giving example in a weird way, of course, but anyways, it's not see-through. You will sweat a lot wearing the innerwear because that's not comfortable underneath this shirt. However, this shirt is very comfortable, so I personally wear it with a sports bra or a cotton innerwear underneath. Giving too much information, but I'm just trying to elaborate to you how will you feel when you will be wearing this shirt. Next, I have this beautiful sky blue color sleeveless top. The sleeves of this is pretty tricky. When I wore it for the first time, I could not comprehend in my mind in which direction I should bow this curve. Not only tricky, I also felt like it's quite asymmetric. Like इसका जो stitching है उतना proper से नहीं किया गया है. Both of the sides does not look cohesive. That's my only problem with this top. It arrived around 2 months ago and I forgot to try it on. I would have returned it honestly, but I'm just showing you to tell you guys, if you're a skinny girl, wear S, you can definitely go on with this top. Next, I have this forest green strappy 3/4 sleeve top. It is a complete cotton material. It came to me like a trash bag and I'm not even kidding. Like, I really have to iron it, but I'm just being so lazy and busy at the same time to iron it. They could have just ironed it and ship it to the customer. It's the bare minimum that they can do. Probably someone has returned it or something, I don't even know. I quite liked it. I bought it from Amazon and it was only for 549 rupees. It has a round neck. It will show a little bit of cleavage, but that's not a big of a problem. It's quite a moderate dress, I will say. And if you don't like showing off cleavage, just pull the entire rope and tie it. Next, I have this beautiful orange red shade top. It is once again a poly lycra material and it's quite stretchable on the side. Comes with a 3/4 sleeve. It has a very deep square cut V neck. Cannot pull it. It is what it is and you just have to cross it. You can just tie it up like this. I have worn this particular piece in various shorts of mine. A quite deep neck top, just like this one actually that I'm wearing right now. It also has a deep neck in the back, which is very comfortable for summertime. You can wear it in two ways, off shoulder, on shoulder, depends upon your comfort level. Next, I have this beautiful sky and white contrast crop top, square neck, and also it's sleeveless. I own it like an off shoulder, but I would any day prefer to wear it as an on shoulder square neck top. This entire top is very stretchable, very comfortable. It's a cotton material once again. It's not see-through anyways, even though it stretches a lot. Next, I have this sleeveless white crop top. It is not a stretchable material, so it will not hug your body. As it goes down, it's kind of like a balloon and then scattered. It's very comfortable cotton material once again, and it's very white. It also comes with a chain on the side because it's not stretchable. If you like wearing very tight clothes, you can go for one size lower as well. I could have gone with M size with this particular top because it's quite like loose. I have a very interesting top. It's a knit top. It's very stretchable and it's a half sleeve top, but it also comes with an innerwear. Silk material, by the way, guys. It's not the very comfortable innerwear once again. This is how it will look. If you're going to a beach and you are wearing a bikini, you might want to wear this on top of your bikini. On the line, we have this beautiful peach color 3/4 sleeve top. Comes with a square neck. You can wear it in two ways, off shoulder, on shoulder, depends upon your comfort level. When I was trying it on, it was not looking really good. Definitely suggest you guys to wear it like an off shoulder. The sleeves are slightly see-through. It's a poly lycra material once again. Entire body of the top is stretchable except this design at the end. Sides of the sleeves are stretchable enough. Next, I have this very basic printed t-shirt. It's a white t-shirt with round neck and all the basic stuff. It's printed "Everyone Deserves Love" in Vibgeo pattern. Such a meaningful word. It was only for 299 rupees, but can I just tell you, it's a very thick t-shirt. Not those t-shirts that you get in Max or Reliance Trends only for 299, 399, $9.99. You know, I washed it 2 times. I wore it last weekend, so I still have a little bit of foundation. I'm yet to wash it. Next, I have another basic no print tank top, round neck, not up to here, but up to here. Very, very thick. It will work like a thermal. Literally comes with a half sleeve, very stretchable. I wore it with a blue pant. I don't even know why. Next, I have another white top. Comes with a 3/4 sleeve, cotton material. If you're wearing a lot of colorful innerwears underneath, it will show through. Has this beautiful button detailing. It does not come with any hook or any button. The front is completely stitched. V-neck personally is my favorite, so one of my favorite top out of this haul. Next, I have this forest green, black and white striped shirt, shape top, square and then V-neck. It has a rope detailing. You can pull it and you can make it look like a bodycon top. I just don't like pulling the rope way too much because it will emphasize my bust area, which I don't like personally. 3/4 sleeve comes with a button itself. You can roll up your sleeve. It's not stretchable, by the way. It is a poly lycra material. Next, I have this beautiful sleeveless white top. Once again, it looks very flattering. I'm pairing it up with a blue bottom. I absolutely love this. Once again, it's not see-through. V-neck. This button sort of a detailing goes down to the very end of this shirt. Entirely stitched. It has no hook or button that you can open. It's just for show. Next, I have this beautiful V-neck sleeveless top with an extra kapra. They have just hand stitched it, sort of like a ruffle designing. Pastel muted pink color will not give a shape to your body. It's a very loose top and it's very comfortable. It's not see-through material. Next, I have this 3/4 white top. The back side of it is very stretchable. I especially bought it because I am gonna pair it with a sari. I actually wanted to purchase a white blouse, but it was so difficult to find my size. So that's why I was like, I will go on with a top which actually can give me the look of blouse. Comes with this rope in the back and it actually gives the vibe of a blouse. Next, I have this brown color top, sort of like a push-up top. If you don't wanna wear a bra underneath, you can go on with a nipple pad and you can just wear it out. It comes with a chain in the back. It sort of feels like you are wearing a bralette. When you are pulling this rope together, this top is sort of shrinking. Inside, it also sort of comes with another layer of kapra till your bust area. I bought it around 3 months ago. I was wearing this for a long time, so I was like, I will show you guys as I'm doing a dedicated haul for only mid-size girl. That's why I just wanted to show you how it will look. I feel like it will help us to like see in real life how it will look on real people rather than seeing those S-size models. It's just too complicated to understand how it will look on us, right? At least that's what I feel like whenever I see a model is wearing something. I visualize it in a different way, and when it arrives and I wear it, I see myself looking completely different in the mirror. Yeah, but long story short, that's why I wanted to show you this top. Next, I have this beautiful lavender sleeveless balloon top. It's a round neck. It comes with a button, only one button in the back. It is a semi-cotton material. It's very airy if you're just running around outside and you want to wear something comfortable. Paid 320 rupees for this. Actually, sleeveless balloon tops are really tricky for mid-sized girls. I feel like sometimes it makes you look very bulky, sometimes it makes you look really gorgeous, and this top does make you look gorgeous. I can vouch for it. Okay, next I have this see-through black top. Detailings are very interesting. As you can see, it comes with a black innerwear. The top was ulta. The same button-like detailing, but it does not have any hook. It's completely stitched. Silk material just slips off from one of your shoulder, which is very annoying. Next, I have this 3/4 sleeve cotton material V-neck crop top, kind of a wrapped top. In the front, it comes with a hook. I actually replaced L size with XL size because the L size was not so comfortable. Particularly in this, I went for XL size. It's cotton, but it's very, very thick. That's all I had for you guys in today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me try on all these tops because it was a hell of a task. Doing a try on marathon is one of the toughest thing, honestly, that I have been doing. I really hope you will pick some of yours for the upcoming festive season because festive season is coming in literally 2 months. I cannot believe. However, whatever tops I have shown you in today's video are not very extravagant. All of them wear moderate tops according to me. I am anyway a moderate dresser in general. I don't wear a lot of skin showing tops. It's just something that's very personal to me, I would say. So yeah, that's about it. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. All the links will be in the description box, guys. Please check the description box for the references. It will just take a second, so please, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Okay, it will just motivate me to make more long form content for you. It's just something I have always enjoyed, but I was stepping back from it for a while because I was not getting a lot of engagement, but you guys are sticking to it, so I'm just thankful to you guys for watching my videos. And And if you made it till here, please consider subscribing to my channel if you are new to this channel. We are just helping each other out on this platform, not much. I have collected them over a few months. There is a lot of trials that goes on. Some of the tops I don't like as well, so I return them and I again buy new stuff. It's a process. It takes almost a month or two to gather some tops which are of my choice, which I can recommend to you, which does look good on me. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Till then, you guys already know I love you guys so much. Bye.